This morning, the cleanup is just getting started from the strong storms that swept through the area during rush hour yesterday.
Yeah, the winds were strong enough to topple trees and down power lines. PECO says nearly 300,000 customers lost power during the storm. Right now, it's down to 158,000.
Work continues to restore power and clean up the mess. Action News reporter Catherine Scott is live in Lower Merion, where downed trees are still blocking some of those roads, Catherine.
Yeah, you want to watch out when you head out this morning. I mean, there's a lot of debris out in the road. There's trees down, there's roads closed, traffic lights are out. You definitely want to use caution when you head out the door. Where we are on Montgomery Avenue, you can see the road is closed. There's a tree down up the way after strong storms ripped across our area.
When I got to the top of the stairs, I heard a boom, whack, which is what I'm assuming was this ginormous tree falling over.
Then I heard a crash, which I thought actually was thunder, but it wasn't thunder.
Now, John DeStefano soon realized a tree had fallen as the storms blew through Drexel Hill. This is his black Mustang after the Tall Trees and Tall Trees Village came crashing down, smashing two cars. In Bala Cynwyd, the winds blew part of the roof off One Bala Plaza, which includes the home of rock station 93.3 WMMR. You'd see the debris all over the parking lot. In Lower Merion Township, a utility pole snapped and a tree fell across Montgomery Avenue by Winding Way. Still this morning, the road is closed and you have to take a detour. Traffic came to a stop in Philadelphia's Overbrook Park when a tree came tumbling down and fell onto a car covering two northbound lanes along City Avenue near Haverford Avenue. No one was hurt. In Upper Darby, a 50 to 60-foot tree collapsed into the back of a home on Bond Avenue, trapping a woman on her porch. It took first responders 40 minutes to get her out. She was conscious, alert, and taken to the hospital. Initially, neighbors had followed her screams to locate her.
We heard a real loud bang, and the kids notified us that a tree had fallen on the neighbor's home. At first, we weren't able to identify where she was, but due to her courageous efforts, and she was continuing to yell and scream for help, so we were able to find her.
Back here live on Montgomery Avenue, which remains closed this morning. The cleanup continues across the area today. We're live in Lower Merion. Catherine Scott, Channel 6 Action News.
All right, Catherine, thank you. We're going to show you the scene now at Northeast Philadelphia Airport, where powerful winds during the storm flipped a small training plane from Legacy Aviation Flight School. Thankfully, no one was inside at the time and no injuries were reported.
The storms caused several delays on SEPTA's regional rail. An Action News viewer sent us this video of a fire near the Ardsley station off Jenkintown Road in Glenside. It appears a tree fell on the overhead wire, sparking a fire. No word on the damage.
And this is what some of the damage looked like in Trenton, New Jersey. A large tree fell across Route 29, blocking all of the southbound lanes near the Calhoun Street exit. Tree branches also came down in front of the State Museum on State Street.
After the storm comes the rainbow. A colorful arc formed over Middletown, Bucks County, and many other communities. Here's a view from Chopper 6. It almost seems like it's above the rainbow. It's floating out there. People went looking for the bright colors after the nasty weather.